Designing your dream home can be a very lengthy process where in which there's a lot of things that can go wrong. There are so many horror stories out there of clients being taken advantage of and not getting the value that they deserve. Well, this Dream Home Startup Kit is going to provide you a map, framework, and checklist, as well as insider secrets of how to get through the process of designing your dream home with no headache, stress-free, getting it done on the right shot, and enjoying the process. I welcome you to download this complimentary Dream Home Startup Kit so you can start your journey of discovering what your dream home could look like.